This is Mari. He is a forest dweller. Mari's job is to make and sell traps to catch harmful rats and other things in the farms. The materials for making traps are collected from the forest. Marie shows you how it works. A single trap can be used for about a year, placing traps in several places over a large farm. All here are farmers who are doing farming smoothly. Similarly, channel will visit different villages of India, their diversity and rural people.